We've got a new release date on the Mavic 3 Pro, and we also have some new features that are being revealed. Let's get into it. But before we do, I just want to talk about TubeBuddy real quick. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that'll help you grow your YouTube channel. It's what I've been using to grow my YouTube channel. If you want to check out more information about this awesome SEO tool, I'll leave a link in the description below. As you guys probably know at this point, especially if you saw my other leaks and rumors video, we are not going to be getting the Mavic 3 at the end of August, which is where we're at now, or in September, which is what we originally thought for a very long time. It got pushed back due to chip shortages and a bunch of other factors, including the drone not even being ready. There's actually rumored to be 3 prototypes of the DJI Mavic 3, and one of those prototypes is going to be the actual drone. However, we don't know which one it is, and we've seen some pictures leak of what we think that the parts are going to look like or different components of the drone, but we still don't know for sure. And because the drone is not in a finalized state, we're not going to know that information for a while. But we do have some new information here regarding the Mavic 3. The first piece of information is that there will not be a zoom model. So with the Mavic 2, we had the Mavic 2 Zoom and we had the Mavic 2 Pro. And by far the Pro was the #1 selling drone. People definitely loved their zoom models, but not as much as the Pro. And the Pro was far better at capturing photos and video for sure. So I think DJI has taken note of that. You know, moving forward, they're going to be focusing on just a Pro model of the drone that's just going to be a beast, and they're going to leave the zoom to the side. Another thing that we're hearing about is a brand new smart controller for this new drone. That's very interesting. I myself did not purchase the smart controller that's out right now for the Mavic 2. However, I do have a smart controller for my DJI Phantom 4 Pro, and when I do use that drone, although that is limited nowadays, I do really like having that screen. Shooting with the iPhone screen is kind of a problem, especially because that OLED display will like dim on me, especially in the bright sun, and then I have to go to a shaded spot just to see what I'm filming. So I don't like that. I'm definitely going to be eyeballing a smart controller for my Mavic 3. At this point, I don't think it's worth it for me to get one for my Mavic 2 Pro, seeing that this drone is probably around the corner, you know, within the next year. A third piece of information for you guys before we get to the release date is that the drone is not going to be finalized until October of this year. So expect around the October timeframe to see the first leaked photos of the Mavic 3. That is according to this source in China. So let's jump right into it. What is the release date that DJI is eyeballing? The release date for the Mavic 3 should be Q1 of 2022. Specifically, according to this article, we're looking at January-February timeframe. Not sure exactly when we're gonna get an announcement or any of that, but that is the release date timeframe right now that DJI has, although we won't know for certain until we see those leaked photos. Because one thing I've noticed covering a lot of DJI rumors and leaks is that once we start seeing those finalized photos and, you know, bits and pieces of the advertisements, we know that the drone is right around the corner. So definitely look out for that. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you're updated when I create new videos, because you don't want to miss any of my rumors and leaks videos. I've got great information to share with you guys. I love creating these videos for you guys. Please give it a thumbs up too. Giving this video a thumbs up will help it rank higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.